Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 10-bit HEVC footage into Premiere Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer 10-bit HEVC footage into Premiere Pro, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Premiere Pro installed. Open Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project from the Start New Project window. Name your project and set the project location to where you want to save it. Once the project is created, click on Import from the File menu. Navigate to the folder containing your 10-bit HEVC footage. Select the clips you want to import and click Open. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the file. After importing, check if the footage is recognized correctly in the project panel. If the footage does not appear or errors occur, ensure you have the HEVC codec installed. You may need to install additional codecs if the footage is still unresponsive. Once your footage is visible, create a new sequence by dragging a clip to the new item icon at the bottom of the project panel. Premiere Pro will automatically set your sequence settings to match the clip attributes. You can also manually create a sequence by going to File, then New, and selecting Sequence. In the Sequence Settings dialog, select the appropriate format and frame size to match your footage. When your sequence is set up, you can drag your clips into the timeline for editing. If you encounter performance issues, consider enabling proxies for smoother playback. Go to the Sequence menu and select Render into Out to improve playback quality. Make sure to save your project regularly to avoid any data loss. After editing, you can export your project by navigating to File, then Export, and selecting Media. In the Export Settings window, choose your desired format and settings for final output. Click Start Export to finalize the process and save your edited footage. Your 10-bit HEVC footage is now successfully transferred and edited in Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.